Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So today we're going to take a look in the box and learn a little bit more about the FiFine K669 USB microphone. So let's go ahead and get started. So in the box here, we can see that it comes with a getting started user guide. Is the microphone itself, and you can turn that. It's got a little tripod mount there. So it is pretty nice, and feels like it's a lot of metal going on there, which is really cool. A lot of times you'll get that and it is plastic. Also comes with a nice looking tripod stand, which is going to screw into the base there. And that also is a lot of metal as well. Now this works both with USB for the Mac and PC, and it is supposed to be plug and play because it does not come with any software. It uses the 5-volt USB power. It's a unidirectional microphone with a frequency response of about 20 Hertz to 20,000 kilohertz. And the sensitivity is between -43 decibels to +3 decibels. Also comes in another color here. We have the black version, and it's like a hot pink looking version, so keep that in mind. Another great thing about this is not only can you mount to other mic stands if you need to, but then it comes with its own little microphone stand which screws into the bottom here, nice and easy. Another interesting thing about this mic is we have a volume control right here on the mic. So that right there is the FiFine K669 USB microphone. Make sure to like and subscribe right here. Smash that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything we do, and make sure to check back for the review and demo of the K669 USB microphone.